Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this I'll show you how to scout on Swapday. If this is your first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So what is Swapday? Swapday is just like a freelance website leading to like Fiverr and Upwork and all other freelancing websites out there. So how does Swapday work? So the first thing I have to know is like what is Swapday? So as you can see, it was established in 2017 by industry veterans with years of experience in the world of digital asset transactions. Swapday was created as a premium destination for the buying, selling, and exchange of valuable online properties. An acronym for SWAPD. SWAPD is a streamlined community forum designed to provide a safe, moderated marketplace for buyers and sellers. Our platform provides a safe and moderated environment where buyers and sellers can confidently trade digital assets. So you can also treat like something like anything like calls, selling your Instagram account and all stuff like that. And even you can also sell a service, just like we normally do on Fiverr or on Upwork. Like maybe we are trying to create a gig, trying to sell our service to people who are actually in need of our service. You can also do that right here on Swapday. So how can you do that? So I'll be showing you more details on how to go about and how to start posting your service to Swapday. So the first thing you have to do is just like make sure that you delete everything from here and so you know about how it works. So as they have like high value transactions like Swapday is just isn't just a marketplace for small scale SME. It cater to serious professionals in sectors like digital marketing, e-commerce, and other online business fields. Many of our transactions involve substantial sums, and our plan is the go-to destination for selling your valuable digital properties and services. Because, like I said, you can also sell your service here and even sell something little to like digital skills. You get what I'm saying? So this is what you can actually do on Swapday. So why choose a Swapday? So everything is there. You can check it out. So let's just check more things on how Swapday works. So how it works. So how to use Swapday. So let's go to that. So just to show you how it really works. So how does Swapday work? So this is start by exploring our website to locate a prospective buyer or seller. Once you have connected with a potential party, initiate a checkout ticket. In this stage, both partners join the checkout ticket to finance transaction details such as the property being transacted, agreed price, selected payment method. So just like Fiverr, like maybe whenever a buyer places an order, Fiverr serve as a middleman for securing the job and the payment. So that's how Swapday also works. So as you can see, you can also just like create a checkout ticket in case you get a potential buyer who is actually in need of your service. So the last one there is like is to check the quick rules. So you have to check the quick rules on the FAQ. You just have to check it. So how to earn on Swapday. So this is everything. You just have to check it and how to use ways to earn. So let's check the ways to earn. So this is actually where we are going. So the ways to earn, easy ways to collect sign-ups for the Swapday referral program. Share on social media, share on social media, online forums, personal blogs or websites. So this is what I'm looking for. So let me just jump to other words I'm here to teach you guys. So the first thing I have to do is like, so this is where we call topics, like post, your post, whenever you post anything, you see your post here, like anything. So let's just click on topics just to show you what topics all about. So under topic is where you are actually going to upload your service. So you don't have to create anything like Fiverr gig image or anything to store like that, except if they just include adding of image as a banner to the topic like you want to create. So this topic just look like a gig. So that's actually what I'm actually going to say about the topic. This topic look like like you want to actually want to create. So as you can see, we have different topics on based on different service, like different options that you actually want to create. So let's say as you can see, this is the first topic, Instagram or every instant urbans, any type like 130 plus accounts covered in a month. So this is a service. So they have both premium and stuff like that. So Facebook Business Manager are also there. So it's buy or sell Facebook verification. So or an IG service. Maybe you are trying to sell your Facebook account or Instagram account. You can actually come here and sell anything here. So this is another way. So in case maybe you want to buy or sell, you can actually come here again. So maybe like you're into this on game memes category like Instagram, you can also come here and sell your memes account. So another one is maybe like Shopify store setup. I think this is actually what most of us really like a lot. Shopify store setup service. So like it said like you can actually do like you try to create a store for a buyer who is actually in need of it to boost his own market. So that's it. So you just have to click on it. Let me open a link for it so just to see. So this is it. So service type, Shopify store setup, and stuff like that. So these are topics that some people have already created based on. So and you too can also create topic on it. Like you put the price of your store there and whatever you want. So that is how it works. So for now to start to post your own service, you have to scroll down here to check the categories of what you actually want. As you can see. So you just have to come to categories to check everything. Maybe you're into, so let's just click on all categories. So you are will be able to know which service you actually want to go for. So this is it. In case you want to create a topic, what you just have to do is like click on new topic. Then so this is it. Let's say I actually want to sell something based on Instagram. If I want to sell on Instagram account, the first thing I'll just have to do like just what's the discussion about in one brief. Just like Instagram, MSG 100, sorry, 100K followers. So do you get? So you just have to include the price. Like let me just say the price is like $1,005. So do you get? So you just have to include the category as in the service it belongs to. So as you can see, these are like buyer request, swap deeping. Then you just have to scroll down here. Discussions. If you're into any of these, like maybe you're into like crypto talk, or maybe there's a maybe you're like an expert in crypto, you can actually join posting anything related to something like this, like crypto. So like social media, maybe you're into like social media management, you can also post anything related to something like that. So just have to check here. Social media, buy and sell Instagram accounts, whether it is for personal film or for promoting your business, just click on it. So as you can see. So it brings out some things for you to correct, like to fill. So this is as you can see, after I finish choosing the service my service belong to, so it will brings out many options for me to fill, like the price of what I want, how much I want to sell, and just like 1,005. Then you input the URL of your handle, which is the Instagram you're trying to sell, then you put it there. Then you just like art, billionaire 518. Just make use of that as an example. So you come down here again, then just say like country of followers. Let me just like India, United States. So amount of followers, 100k followers. Just make sure you put it there. So the top niche like under luxury and motivation. So that's where my niche belongs to. So does it include the original email? You put like yes. Promotion method use does input like organic. So that's all. So in case you are going to input some like description of the accounts, so don't need more things like you can just say like this is a great potential account for businessmen. So that's it. So in case you want to actually want to input more, you can also do that. So that's how you do it. You just have to create topic or you just like click on create topic. So and that's all. So you just have to click on create topic and you will see how everything looks with it. Country of followers, India and United States. So you can also input more countries type like maybe it includes more than 2 countries in your topography. So and that's all. So just like click on create topic. So as you can see, one, it didn't include screenshots posting in this category, requires screenshots of studies, demographics and activity and stuff like that. Because because I don't have that screenshot on my system, so I'll be able to input it. So in case you actually want to input a like a banner, so that's like it's like 5 gig image. You can also click here and click on upload. So that's why you upload the image or the service type you're trying to render out to people out there. So that's how I do it. So if you enjoy my video, can subscribe to the channel, like it, and share my video. So in case if there's any question guys need to ask, like just comment on my video. I'll drop more video on that for you. So good day, thanks for watching.